I made over $2,000 on WhatsApp in just 3 days, and I am here to show you how I did it. Anyway, welcome to Early Makes Money Online. I've been making money online since 2017, and I created this channel purposely to show people how I have been making money online, the things I've been doing that makes me money online since 2017. So basically, I am here to actually share or show others the way that they can also make money online and be happy, just like the way I am very happy. I work from home, I work from anywhere I want, because everything I do is right online. But before I start to show you the way I WhatsApp pays me, I would like to say that take your time to watch every second of this video. I try as much as possible to make the video shorter so that you don't spend too much time. So take your time to watch every second of this video to the end, and then you will get everything, and also go and try it. It will work for you. You just have to, like I said, free your mind. Stop telling your mind it is difficult. No, free your mind. It is not difficult. It's a very simple thing to do. Once you put your mind to it, you can also do it. So why am I pressing on the fact that you have to watch every second of the video to get everything? Follow everything slowly. Follow everything in the video. Watch every second so that you get it and go and try it. The reason why I am emphasizing on this is that some people contact me for help, and I am actually happy to help people, because I promise I will do that. I will help people to do anything that they did not understand in my videos personally. But some people contact me to ask me questions that I've already answered in the videos. Trust me, it makes the work difficult. So that is why I'm always pressing on the fact that you watch every second of the video so that you get everything that I will teach you. Let me go straight to the point. I started by building my WhatsApp status viewers. How did I do that? Straightforward. I'm going to be very straightforward with everything so that I don't waste too much time on the video. So I started sharing my number online, on Facebook, in groups, like everywhere, that every platform that I am part of a group or something, like, you understand. So I started sharing my number with people. But how do I get people to add me? I tell them that I will give them updates that are happening around the world. Like, I write on celebrity news, like football, banter, and that kind of stuff, you understand. So I tell them that is what I will offer. So when they add me, of course, there's a purpose for adding me on WhatsApp. So people add me because of that, and I'm still doing that up to today. You understand? So because of that, they add me. So after I build my contact, currently I have over 15,000 contacts on my phone, that all these people come to me because they want to watch my status and get updates. So after I build that, I now set in business. You understand? So how did I actually start this business? I went on AliExpress, and I went and searched for some product there, and one of them that I saw that maybe I thought it would sell was a tablet that I saw there. So I saw one of their tablets that comes with keyboard. Some did not come with keyboard, some for kids and all that. So the price was good, and AliExpress, Charlie, is legit, but you have to take your time to actually go through the sellers so that you don't go and buy from any scammer, and at the end of the day you will lose your money, or they will refund you. But the process is a little bit hard for me. I'll say it was hard. I actually went through that before, and it was hectic, but I got my refunds. So for you not to go through that, you have to take your time, check the sellers history, reviews, and everything. You check their bio, their business certificate, everything, before you check the name of the company as well before you order from them. So I managed to do that, and then I got a legit seller or manufacturer that manufactures the tablets that I discovered. Because the price was good, I took pictures of it, and then I sent it to my WhatsApp status, and then people love it. People start ordering. And one thing is very important is I built integrity. Like, people trust me. I did not buy the tablets to come and sell. I only tell them that it's available for order. So you pay me, I will use your money to order it for you, And then I actually added my profit to the amount that the tablet costs. You know, so I added the profit to the amount that the tablet costs, and then I let those who were interested know that this is the amount. So they pay me, like people trust me, so they were sending the monies to me. They send a lot of them. I got about 85 orders within that 3 days. So I ordered all of them, and then after three weeks it arrived, and then I let them know that when the item comes, they will pay for the delivery wherever they are. Even though people are in Ghana, I saw some people from Nigeria as well who ordered from me because they have their relatives in Ghana, and I'll give it to them. Like I give it to them, and then they'll go and deliver it to them in Nigeria, or whichever way they will deliver it to them in Nigeria. So that was the simplest, the whole process. You understand? That was the whole process. It wasn't a complicated thing. And since then, I've been using my WhatsApp status to sell products and make money. You understand? So it's very easy to do. You can also do it. Don't think it's very complicated. This is the simplest way I use to actually make that money. You understand? And up to today, I still do it. So it's not a difficult thing to do. That is just simple. You understand? Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Like I said, I'm not scripting these videos. I am telling you my mind, everything that I've been doing online to make money since 2017. Thank you for watching my video, and bye-bye. See you in the next video.